My channel is the highest viewed stream right now, so I'm paying really close attention on what people dig. And even in the gaming community, I enjoy food and drink too. So the mixture of the food and drink community and the gaming community is actually coming in to visit and enjoy time hanging out and chatting with George's Hot Sauce and Barbecue with the Slate 10 gaming community. So this is awesome. I appreciate this opportunity to get on there, and I have wonderful news to share. And I just got the announcement that I will be Streamer of the Week for Slate 10 Gaming Community. So thank you so much for that opportunity to be listed as Streamer of the Week. And I also got some really good news as well. And feel free, if anybody want to have an opportunity to host and share with others in different communities, or in most important, in our Slate 10 gaming community. I think it's, I appreciate that when they have that opportunity to do those things. And I have no problem. I have fun when I visit other streams and I do the same thing as well. Because that's what's, in order to grow as a community, that's pretty much a thing. And we had a big question about that. What was more important? Was it the hosting or was it the rating that's more important? And if you have an opinion on that, you can feel free to leave your opinion on the chat box, and let us know how you feel about what's important, hosting or rating. Because that was a really good conversation that we had in there. And to me, that and visiting and getting to know and creating a relationship with your fellow Twitch community members are so important. You'd be amazed of the content that you have that other people can actually get to view because you knew that other person that knew what you did, vice versa. It's very cool. I like that. I don't suppose you could turn up the mic a bit. Okay. Well, I can. I can turn up the mic a bit. Hold on. There we go. Oh my gosh, no wonder why. Well, everything's up on my media. Okay. Perfect. There we go. We got smacked. I appreciate you on there, man, because actually my freaking mic was like freaking low as heck. Golly. We good now. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. This is that community love right here. Because when you got good responses like that let you know you can actually build your channel slowly, and trust me, this channel is going to get better and better as we go. So I got the pancake batter good. We got that sitting.